Perpendicular bisector. Today we are learning how to construct a perpendicular bisector. First, let me show you a perpendicular bisector. Let me draw a line segment, and in this AB line segment, the point in the middle is called a midpoint of the line segment. Now, if you can draw a perpendicular line through the midpoint, that line is called a perpendicular bisector. A perpendicular bisector is not only perpendicular to the line segment drawn, it also cuts that line into two equal parts. Now let's do the construction of a perpendicular bisector using a compass and a straightedge. Let's draw the given line segment, AB. Leave the point of the compass on one end of the line segment. Using visual judgment, extend the span of the compass so that the pencil goes beyond the midpoint. Then move the pencil up and draw an arc. Do the same below the line, like this. Now, switch sides and draw another pair of arcs, above the line and below the line. Do you see the intersection of arcs above the line and below the line? Connect the intersection of arcs. What you drew here is a perpendicular bisector. Now you do this a few times on your own for practice.